Hello everyone, it's Frank again, and today we have something a little different. It is a riding video, and a brief intro for the new playlist we're going to have on the channel. So for a while I have been looking for an ATV. I really didn't have any specific model or brand I wanted, just some basic ideas of what I needed. I wanted something with an engine bigger than a 500 and 4x4 obviously, and nothing too old. My budget was $5,000, so I had plenty of options to pick from. I was mostly looking on OfferUp, Craigslist, and my least favorite of them all, Facebook Marketplace. At that price range, I mostly kept finding things that were either too old or not powerful enough, or the dreaded mechanic specials. And that's when I found this Facebook Marketplace ad. It was a bit far away, basically 4-hour drive, but it looked promising. The pics in the ad looked like it was pretty well kept, and it was a pretty low miles for a 2012. So I spoke to the seller, haggled a bit, and decided I was going to have to go see it in person. Surprisingly enough, when I got there, it looked just like in the ad. So needless to say, I loaded it up in a trailer and brought it back home. Other than a blown relay on the light bar, it was pretty much good to go. So fast forward a couple of weeks and it had its maiden voyage. That's the video you're seeing right now. You will notice that a lot of it is cut, and that is because I chose the absolute worst spot to mount my GoPro. Every single puddle, mud would just cover up the screen completely, cover up the lens completely, so you wouldn't be able to see shit. For future videos, I'll make sure to mount it somewhere else so that doesn't happen again. Overall, the maiden voyage was a success. She only got stuck a couple times at the beginning because I had my ACS setting correctly. But after that, she went through pretty much everything I threw at her. No overheating and no broken parts, and we were out there for a good 4 to 5 hours running it pretty hard, so that's pretty impressive. Now, as for the playlist, as you can tell, this ATV pretty much has everything I would need done to it already, unlike the budget mud truck. So most of the videos will be more catering towards general maintenance and the occasional broken part, as well as riding videos. I'm going to try to upload these videos probably once a week, just like the Budget Mud Truck, but on a separate day. So Budget Mud Truck's Thursdays, these would probably be Wednesdays, something like that. I may end up switching that around later on. I also got a new larger SD card and extra batteries for the GoPro, so hopefully the next riding video I will actually have more footage of it. As always, if you guys enjoy this kind of content, like, share, and subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching.